Baby, take care of the birds, baby.
It's just a little bit in the bag. It won't fit. I can put it in here. They tore this up since yesterday.
They said put more in there then.
Look, I only brought this out here, so.
They said enough of that 99 cent stuff. They want the good stuff. They want the,
They eat it up as quick as I can put it. I just did this yesterday or the day before.
They don't say hurry up. They say hurry up.
Oh, Lord. Squirrels are going to be happy. Look. I thought I had more in that.
See, pick them up off the ground and put them in there. What you doing?
The squirrels that eat them.
Yeah, look rich or something. Put them in there.
I wish I would pick them up.
Wow.
Look, we feed our squirrels.
It's a circle of life.
Right? Might as well put the rest of that bag in here.
Wow, this is an ordeal, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. Gotta keep them happy. Now I gotta make sure I wash my hands good.
Right?
Look at that.
I'm gonna bring you a bucket to wash them outside.
That's done.
Good job, baby.
Thank you.